got the bridge up, got it under the post. Got the whole solid post that these here. Put these two here. Have to have these for good support. Because this is a playground, you have to have these for good support. Put the one on the other side and then I'll tighten them up.
What am I doing?
There's a washer missing on this one because we used it down on the side of this, which actually it needs that washer, but it don't got it. If I get a washer later on, get another washer later on to put on it. Or matter of fact, I'll go in the house right now and see if we got one.
Finally, her playground is finished. Sierra, look. Say hi. Daddy. Hi. Wave, love, wave. Oh, Clay is there. Clay is there.
Okay, I put in the ramp now. The ramp's got the top on it. Took 2 boards and 1 2-foot piece from another one. The boards were 8 foot long. So I was supposed to be 1 by 3 by 8, and I got 2 of them, but they didn't have 1 by 8. It's supposed to be 1 by 8 by 8, and they didn't have 1 by 8 by 8. They only had 1 by 6 by 8, and so I had to buy 3 1 by 6 by 8, where it would have took just 2 1 by 8 by 8. And it took 2 whole 1 by 6 by 8s and a 2-foot piece out of the third one. So I got a 6-foot piece left I can do something with. And the place that I get my stain from didn't have any stain. All of this has been redone, so it's not gonna be the natural stain, but this has never been stained, so it will. So now this playground is finished. That's the last thing I'm putting on it. If I put anything else on it, start looking weird. So that'll be it. All I had to do is wait till I get some stain in. Should have went and got some stain from somebody else, but I was in a hurry yesterday. It's already almost 5:30. I had to hurry, so they overlap 1 inch on each side. But by the time you get to the bottom, the 1 inch lap is almost vanished on the left side because the way this is slanted, and then the way I had to slant this to make it line up with that side. So it caused that to slant some because it's not perfectly squared. So I had to, it's just the way it is because this yard is slanted down. So, but it's still good. If it was built on level ground, it would have been nice. But it's built this way so water can run down and out.